Hey everybody, Tim here, Gray Man POTA, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Well, it's almost 8 o'clock in the evening, Eastern time here. I'm here at the Morgan Monroe State Forest, and I'm going to do a Parks on the Air activation, but that is not what this video is about. What this video is about is this package I got in the mail today from our friend James over at Quirky QRP. Now, a few weeks ago, actually probably about a week ago, I think, it's only been since I ordered it, James put up some new merchandise on his Etsy site. And one of the things he had that I was looking for was a laptop sleeve. Now I've got the Jankopotamus. I think it's 11.6 inch display. I've got my iPad, which I think is a 10 inch. And then I've got a 7-inch tablet that I use for doing digital modes with my True SDX. And probably the IC705 at some point here in the future. But what I wanted is some kind of way to protect these things. They're open. I've got the case on my iPad, but you know, just something that can keep them together, keep them covered and everything. So that's what I ordered. We'll just do it right here on the video. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are familiar with James's site, and I'll put a link to all this down below. So I actually got the same one. I really like these. The "Don't Tread on My Frequencies" interpretation of the Gadsden flag that James did. Plus, these are a soft kind of neoprene case, which is also nice because you can use it to set things on. Like in my case, I've got the tailgate table here. This is just a very inexpensive, I think less than $100. I think actually more like $70 tablet that I got. And this is probably not going to fit in there. And that's okay. That's okay. I still like this bag, and it was fairly inexpensive, and yep, that is not going to fit in there, but that is okay. As my my Canadian friend says, it's fine. It's fine. He's got a great YouTube channel. He's also a Bronco owner. I'll point you to that down below too, because it's fine. It really is. It's a fine YouTube channel. So the other one is this. I believe this was 13 inch. I think they went from 10 to 13 inches. My hope actually is that I can get one, if not both of these in here at the same time. Whoop. So for those of you who do have a Jankopotamus, here is what it looks like. There's a little bit of wiggle, a little play in there, but that's not bad, right? That gives you room. You could throw a charging cable in here, maybe your mouse, if you have a mouse, or accessory cables and stuff like that too. And it's not going to be crammed. A little bit of sliding room, but still decent. And my other objective was to see if I could get both of those in here, which I can. And that makes this a lot easier just to throw into my laptop bag or whatever. You know, I've been doing more and more traveling with work, and with that, I'm taking radio gear with me. So, you know, this summer, expect a lot of QRP type activations like I did out at Red Rock Canyon out in Las Vegas. And I'll put a link to it up here if you haven't seen it. But, you know, I figure if my company's going to pay to send me off to far off places, I might as well have a little fun while I'm out there and take a radio with me and do the hobby that I enjoy. All right, so those fit in there. The tablet was a little short. I will check to see if he's got bigger cases. These are not overly expensive. I think they're pretty well priced, and I love the logo that's on there, the graphic. I will, you know, I can obviously use this for other things, so I don't see it as a loss. Not a big deal. I can, like I said, I've got other things that I would want to protect anyways. And, you know, come to think about it, I use a couple different phones with me. So worst case, phones will go in here while I travel for recording and everything. So with all that being said, I will put links to this down below. Make sure you check it out. James is one of those guys that loves to support our community. He is a fellow ham himself, and things that he designs are things that he feels that you can use while you're out enjoying your hobby too. So make sure you check out the links down below. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. And until we have an opportunity to catch each other, and until we have an opportunity to see each other on the air, and until we have an holy crap, until we have an opportunity to meet up on the air, I have a video right over here that I think you might like.